Right, in this tutorial, we're asked to write a Python program to find whether a given number is even or odd, and we'll print out an appropriate message to the user. So we're going to ask the user to enter the number. And I'm going to use input function and if statement. So let's get the input from the user first. So enter an integer, and then let's make it an integer, but anyways. And the user, it has to enter an integer. Now I'm gonna store this in a variable called number, and then now I'm gonna define odd or even. So basically, if that number is divided by 2, the remainder should come back as 0. Otherwise, I'm gonna call it even odd number. But here, I'm gonna add, one more thing. What about in the 0? So if the user entered 0, I'm gonna call it just, it's the number is 0. So let's do it. If number equals 0, then you call it that it's the number is 0. If I say number modulus 2 equals 0, then call it an even number. The number is an even one, and else you call it an odd number, or the number, or you can say you entered an odd number. So let's run this and see what we get. So enter an integer. So I'm going to say, for instance, 6. And here we go. The number is an even one. Let's run it again. Enter an integer. So I'm going to call it just like 7. And you entered an odd number. And then let's run it again. And for instance, 0. The number is 0. And that's all about this tutorial. Thanks for watching.